banku with pepper and fried fish. If this is something you are interested in, kindly watch to the end and let us know what you think in the comments section. To make our banku, we'll be using some corn dough, which I have here, and then cassava dough. We don't need much of the cassava dough. So I'll begin by first of all mashing the cassava dough in the pot I'll be using to prepare the banku. To that, I'll add the corn dough. I'll add the quantity that I want, and then I'll also add water and continue mashing until it reaches the consistency that we want. So we need a consistency which is neither too thick nor too light. So at this point, I'll be adding more of the corn dough to it because what I have here is not enough. This is the consistency that we want, so this is okay. I'll go ahead and place it on fire, then we can begin preparing our banku. But before that, we need to add some salt to this. So I'll add the salt, then I'll stir this until it begins to thicken. The batter is beginning to thicken already, so I'll be using these to hold the pot so that as I step on them, it will make the pot stable for me to stir the banku without any difficulty as it gets thick. Our batter is getting thicker and thicker, so I need to stir in this manner to make sure that there are no lumps in the banku. If you have watched to this point and you haven't liked the video, kindly click the like button and also subscribe to this channel for more valuable content. Thank you. As we can see, it is now thick. I'll be adding water to this because I want the banku to be soft. I don't want it to be very hard. So I'll add water to it and cover for some time. I'll also adjust the salt because I tasted and I realized that the salt was not enough. After adding the salt, I'll cover it and allow it to continue cooking for a while. So this has been cooking for a while. We can see how it's boiling. I'll continue stirring this until the banku is ready. Just in case you are wondering why the banku looks kind of yellow, it's because we use the yellow corn. But if you use the white corn to prepare your banku, you will not have this color. So I dipped my fingers inside to see if the banku was ready, and as we can see, it is ready. So it doesn't stick to the finger. This shows that it is ready. So dish our banku out, then we tie them and set them aside. Now I'll be making use of some pepper, fresh tomatoes and onions. Then I'll add salt and grind. This is what we'll be using to enjoy our banku. But you can also enjoy your banku with okra stew, palm nut soup, groundnut soup, whichever way you want. And I would like to know how you also enjoy your banku. Please let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Our pepper is ready, so I'll go ahead and fry the fish. I'll first of all cut it into pieces, then I'll wash it very well, remove all the unwanted things in it, then I'll transfer into salt water, then we'll fry it. As the fish is soaking in the salt water, I'll go ahead and heat up some oil. So when the oil got hot, I first of all added some onions in it before transferring the fish into the oil to add some flavor to the fish. From time to time, I'll turn the fish and allow it to continue frying until it turns golden brown. Right now our fish is well fried, so I'll take it out of the oil, then we can serve this with our banku. And here we have our banku served with our pepper, some green sauce and then shito. I also added some onions and green pepper to it. Then our fried fish. This tasted so delicious. Please give this a try and trust me, you are going to enjoy it. In case you want to see the video on how we prepare the shito, I'll leave a link to it in the description box. Here I will add water enough to cook the rice. Then I'll cover and allow it to boil for some time before we transfer our rice into it. This has been boiling for some time already, so I've washed the rice and I'll be transferring the rice into it, after which I will adjust the salt and mix everything together and allow it to continue cooking. So have you ever struggled with lumpy kokonte or cassava flour? Well, not anymore. In today's video, I'll be showing you the best way to make your kokonte with no single lump. Here we have our cassava flour, which is also called kokonte. I'll go ahead and transfer some into the pot. Then I'll add some water and mix very well until there are no lumps in it. So I'll be adding the water gradually until it reaches the consistency that we want. We want a consistency that is not very thick and not also too light. Once that is done, the next thing is to place it on fire and then stir gradually until it begins to thicken. When you take a closer look, you can see that the thickening process has begun already. So at this point, we need to stir it in this manner to make sure that there are no lumps. So at this point, we will add a little water and cover and allow to boil for some time. Then we'll come back and continue with the stirring. So now that it's boiling, we'll continue stirring until it is ready. You know the kokonte is ready when you dip your fingers inside and it doesn't stick to your fingers. Can you see that already? The kokonte looks so smooth and soft, just the perfect way you want it to be with no lumps. Once it is ready, we go ahead and then we serve. Just look at that, it looks so smooth. Then after serving, you can go ahead and enjoy with any soup of your choice. We enjoyed ours with some light soup. Thank you so much for watching. If this video has been helpful to you, kindly click the like button and subscribe to this channel. Also press the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload a new video, and please do not forget to leave a comment down below in the comment section. Thank you and see you in our next video. Bye. Hi lovely people, you're welcome to this YouTube channel. In today's video we shall be making this delicious light soup. To start preparing our light soup, we need to first of all boil our vegetables. So I'll be boiling some garden eggs, tomatoes, onions and pepper. We'll allow these to boil until they become soft, and while that is boiling, I'll blend some onions, ginger and garlic and set aside. So our vegetables are ready, they are very soft. Here I have some meat that I'll be using. This is dark meat. So the ginger, onions and garlic I blended earlier, I'm adding it to the meat right now, and I'll add salt to taste and some seasoning cube. I'll also add tomato paste and a little water, then I'll cover it and allow it to steam. The vegetables I boiled have cooled down a bit, so I'll blend and set aside. Our meat has started boiling already, so I'll mix this very well, then I'll add a little water and allow it to continue cooking. Our meat has been cooking for some time now. At this point, I'll add the blended vegetables. I will also be adding some reasonable amount of water to it. Remember, we are making light soup and we don't want our soup to be thick. Then after that, I will allow this to boil for some time. Then I have some catfish here. I will add some of the catfish to this at this point, and then I'll also adjust the salt and allow it to continue cooking until it is ready. Lastly, I would love to drop in some pepper. This is optional. You can decide not to add any pepper. Then I'll let it simmer for a few minutes and our soup is ready. So at this point, the soup is ready. We'll now take it off the fire. Then we'll serve it with our kokonte. You can serve it with whatever you want, but we are serving ours with kokonte. So please give this soup a try and let me know what you think in the comments section. Here we have our soup served with some kokonte, and trust me, it tasted so delicious. Please give this a try and let me know what you think in the comments section. Thank you so much for watching. Please like the video, comment and subscribe, and see you in our next video.